Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how you can set parental lock in your Nothing Phone 1 CMF. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, you have to open your settings. Click on Digital Wellbeing and Parental Lock. Click on Set up Parental Lock Controls. And when you just get started, it will supervise this phone remotely with the family link app for parents. Keep an eye on screen time and set limits are limited. Add restrictions to Google services such as approvals or content filters on Google Play. If you just get started, it will see who will you using the device, child or teenager or parent. This is how you can set up it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.